Doggo! Hey, what's up, sister? Dude, there's a dog on your back.
I also have no pants on.
What is up with you and no pants?
It's a lifestyle.
Maybe we'll get sponsored sometime in the future. For the last time, I want little pump. Get it! That's stretching it just a little bit.
I don't know, man. I wouldn't put my tits out in the middle of the club. This is not okay.
What is?
Me.
Let's skedaddle. Oh, dude, sweet socks.
You be a panini.
What does mom want me to do?
Dye your hair.
The fuck? Why? What kind of color does she want me to dye my hair?
She wants you to dye it like this guy.
That is so freaking no. I refuse to dye my hair like that. That's like borderline albino shit. Pink bike. What not to do at a red light by SpongeBob SquarePants. Take your sister's phone, touch your head, take off her seatbelt. Going to the club with my friend, how does that make you feel?
You can't record here.
Oh, sister! Banana powers, go! NANI? That was a good catch, not gonna lie.
I don't know how I did it.
Hi! What's up, fucker?
How you doing?
Ready to freaking party tonight, bro? Ready to club? Fuck yeah, I'm ready to party, man. Hell yeah, man, let's fucking get this, man. Yeah, bro, let's go, let's go, let's go. Valet parking with my boy Teddy. Yes, sir. Psh, whatever. We're in the wild jungles of Chicago. Look at that fine specimen right there. Shirtless, doesn't give a fuck. What do you think about him, Ted?
Ooh, he's snazzy, man. Snazzy.
Woo, we're gonna party at Spy Bar, first time, baby, or Sound Bar, fuck. But yeah, let's fucking get it. Right, Ted, we're done at the club. Let's hear a recap of the night.
Crazy man, dancing, upstairs, downstairs, crazy time, lots of Asian people. Nice fun time. Free drinks, lots of free drinks.
Yeah, shout out my boy Sean for free drinks.
My boy Sean and random black guy at the bar.
Hell yeah.
Good guy.
Wait, what about that Coke deal? Tell him about that Coke deal you saw go down.
Two random guys, I see him just stuff it in the pocket. Giant bag of Coke like this big. It wasn't that smooth. It wasn't that smooth.
Yeah, it was like the worst fucking Coke deal ever.
Yeah, honestly. Crazy night, I'm tired.
Yeah, same, bro. Alright, well, it's the end of that vlog. Oh, my face is oily as shit. Alright, well, see you guys next one. Yeah. Woo!